Okay, this is the HP 90W-HP05 replacement AC adapter. I'm using it on a Compaq computer. Less than 6 months old. Had to replace the first one. Yeah, I took it apart. Not going to get my money back on it, but it's a piece of junk. Listen up closely as I plug it in. This is the problem it started having. Nice pop when you plug it in. Snap, crackle, pop, zip, zap. It is a piece of crap. You can see it shooting sparks in this area too. Surprised this doesn't cause fires. I haven't seen any recalls on these, but someday I'm sure you'll see them. This is the replacement power pack for what I'm using on a Compaq. It's a 90W-HP05. It doesn't have a brand, and I don't blame them for not putting a brand on it. Made in the People's Republic of China. Surprise, surprise.